reporting live from the Buzz channel. Thanks for tuning in. We have some breaking news, but we are going to go directly to Gabby in Florida for the weather. Thanks, Kelsey. I am here in Florida to tell about some extreme weather. We think we are having a hurricane. Here are some details about the weather. Hurricane waves can be 6 to 8 feet high. The eye is the calmest part. Hurricanes can last over a week. Here are some safety precautions we need to take. Stay where there is barely anything. You need to get in a safe spot. You need to stay away from windows. Thanks for checking in our extreme weather. Now back to Kelsey in the studio for the news. Thank you, Gabby. We will be back with the news after this commercial break. I am Kelsey reporting live from the Buzz channel. Buzz on!